Boy, he did, didn't he?
Yay! Get smart.
I guess.
I already see a Lola shirt.
Well, that's the best thing there. Well, what you got?
Yay! Can I open it?
Yeah.
I got a football! Yay! Hidden message, minifigure, sticker collection. Yay! Look! It's the sticker book!
Cool.
Whatever you want. I think another one. Another one! Oh, you look.
What is that?
Oh my goodness.
What is that?
Mike and Mike's.
Surely that's not all candy.
I hope it is. Yay!
What is it?
My favorite stuff.
Oh yeah.
I got 2 of these, 3 of these. Look at there.
Oh my goodness.
We
Oh,
just had that in the buggy. I said, Bub, just wait. I said, we're not going to buy a bunch of stuff.
you're kidding.
Big Leg Chill.
Hubba bubba.
Double Chris Cole. I can't be. I've been bad. Wow, look at that.
What is it? Is that what you wanted?
What is it?
More teammates.
He had 3 in
More
the buggy.
And I got 3! Exactly!
He had 3 in the
Wow.
buggy.